Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So this is a quick video about notifications. I've got a couple of questions about notifications from you guys, so I thought I'll do a quick video just to show you. So here we go.
So we have the Ticwatch 5 Pro here, and we have the Huawei Watch 4 Pro here. So just a quick demonstration of an example of how notifications will appear on the two different watches, what you can and what you can't do with it. So let me show you. So I'm basically going to show the same notification that has appeared on both of the watches, but there's difference to what you can do and what you can view. So okay, if I go into my notifications here on the Ticwatch, and if I go into my notifications here on the Watch 4 Pro, you can see this is that notification here. So from on the Ticwatch Pro, so you can see it's telling you which app it is from. You can see it's got Tick is the app, it's the to-do app, and it's got the application app icon, so you can you know which one is coming from. And this one on the Watch for Huawei Watch, for a start you don't know where it's coming from because it doesn't tell you. It's just got a message icon there. Then it tells you today's date, and then it tells you 1 due today, 2 overdue. So if you tap on it, that's it. You're just getting that. You don't know what those two tasks are. If I tap on this is what you'll get. You don't know what it is, so it still gives you the same message: 1 due today, 2 overdue. Whereas on the Ticwatch Pro, and the same will go with Pixel Watch and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and all those kind of watches. So you see these messages. If I tap on it, I can now see. Obviously, I've got an idea of what the tasks are, and this is the one that's due today. So ABC example, and then these are the 2 overdue: testing and add game. But then you can view. You can go on to view. You can plan. It's got option of plan now. You can clear them, or you can open them on the phone. So I have the application on the phone. I can go directly and tap here, and it'll open up on the phone, and then I can change things on there. I can if I view, I don't know what happens. Let's see. So it's kind of ticked you off basically, but that's to give you an example. That's how tasks look. So Gmail, surprisingly with Gmail, it seems to have the icon, which is good. At least you can tell, and it's got Gmail at the bottom, so you know where it's coming from. So with Gmail's notifications, again, really annoyingly, the notification only seems to show the title of the email. And even if I tap on it, that's it. You can't say any more. And then you only get the option to delete that notification. So you can't do anything else with it. So I don't know. I'm gonna quickly have a look if I have this on my Ticwatch. So for example, here on the Ticwatch, I have some notifications from Gmail to do with some stuff being bid on eBay. Let me find it again. So if I open one of those notifications, just watch what happens. So you get to see the whole message, actually the whole email, and then you can reply to it because you've got 3 of those options, or you got all these other options of what you can do with it. There isn't a calendar app on the watch. Now, for a £550 watch, you expect a basic application like a calendar to be present, or agenda, where you can view what meetings you have, or what tasks you may have. This one has nothing. I can see some things in the settings. So if I go into settings, for example, I can see if I dig deep into the settings, system update. If I go into notifications, I think, and then if I go to, I'll say, show all. So here are the apps. So if I go into system apps, you'll see that it mentions, it shows calendar. Look, it shows calendar. If I go into calendar, it's got notifications, type of notification, and all of this stuff. Obviously that sync option is grayed out, so I can't really do anything with it. but the fact is, that's it. And there's no app, there's no calendar app in the watch at all, and there isn't one either to download from the Huawei Play Store. So you're basically stuck. So if I for example, I tried enabling one of those tiles, one that had a calendar function, like this one for example here. You can see there's a widget, there's one of the widget that says today's date and calendar and no events. So if I tap on this, it just gives me this message. It says app uninstalled or disabled. Check and try again. There's nothing I can do. So that is really major disappointment. I need a calendar, basic calendar or task app. That's just it's just unacceptable really that you can't do this on a 500-600 pound watch nearly. There are other things. There are some good things, many good things actually, and there are some real annoying things that I'll cover in a different video. So let's check out some WhatsApp and SMS notifications that I've got and show you how they look and what you can do with them. So pull up the notification. You've got 3 messages. You tap on this, and these are the 3 messages. So let's go into that one. Let's go into one of them, for example. So this one's got an emoji, and you can see the emoji there. So that's straightforward. And then what you can do with it, you can reply. Amazingly, that's great news. So you can reply to it directly from the watch. You can use one of those predefined messages to reply, or you can type your own message. We'll do this in a second. Let's just quickly go back to the other messages. So that was an emoji. There's one with an image. Let's see if the image shows up. Nope. So you don't get to see the image on this notification. You only get to see the camera icon, and it says photo. So that's that. And then the third one. So okay, this one's got a message to say notification test, can you reply? So let's try and reply to that one. So go on the keyboard. Now you can reply through voice. We could try that. Or if you tap here, you could reply through, again, I guess, voice. And then you got keyboard. So it's a kind of small keyboard, but it's decent. And then you have obviously all these emojis. You can use any of the emojis you want, all those that are there. Going back, and then you've got, I think this is an internet icon. Let's see what happens if I press on this. So you can select and actually reply in different another language. So there's all these languages here. So okay, we're not going to do that. So if I go back, and then you've got numbers. Yeah, all these numbers that you can use. This one, just a keyboard layout, and you can change to a full keyboard layout, or you can have the 9 key, and that's it. So okay, we're going to try to reply to this message. Then let's quickly just say, yep, the notification is working, and I can reply. Well, see, the voice one's coming up with a little error. It said no network. So that's not very good. So we'll try something else then. Let's try, I don't know, let's try this mic here, see what that does. Yes, the notification is working fine, and I can reply to it as well. Now I get a network error message again, even though it's connected to Bluetooth as well. I'm going to type the message in now, and quickly let's see how that looks. So I say yes, and it's got the T9 text recognition function, so you just have to, you don't have to type the whole thing in. Yes, it's working. Bit small to type, but less. No, I think I'm gonna have to go redo this. Very tiny. Okay, send, and it's been sent. So that's WhatsApp, and I think it's just come through. Has it come through?
Not yet. No, nothing's come through to me yet.
Okay, Okay, so it looks like the notification, although we've responded to it, it hasn't been received on the other end. So I'm going to try an SMS one quickly. But at least you can see with WhatsApp, you can see the message. You can't see the photos. Obviously, you won't be able to see any videos in the notifications. And you can respond to them. At least you can respond to them via the keyboard and emojis. So that's something. Also, bear in mind there isn't a built-in WhatsApp app for this for the Huawei watches. Only the Wear OS ones have it now. So coming back, we're going to do a quick one on the messages. So this is the SMS messages. Again, they'll be grouped. All the messages. If you got a lot more, they'll all be grouped in just like the WhatsApp ones I showed you. So if I open one of them up, so the message I've got here, same message as before, notification test, can you reply? And you can see, so you're seeing an icon as well here for SMS. With WhatsApp as well, you could see. We could try and reply. Same options again, you've got the keyboard. Let's see if that works now. Yep, I can reply. No, I don't know, there's some network error. But anyway, so I'm gonna just do a type one. Actually, I'm gonna use some emoji on this one. So let's say and add some text. Just give it a space. Send. So this was the SMS. I don't think it's been received.
Nope, nothing's come through to me.
So the messages did go through eventually. There was a slight delay. I don't know why. I had to turn my phone on and then it kind of sent it.
Yes. Just to show you, it's come through.
In terms of SMS, there is a messaging app, as you can see here. But if I tap on it, it'll tell me an eSIM service is not activated yet, and therefore it's not able to send or receive any messages. Enable the service on your phone. So if that happens, once I have the eSIM set up, if I do, then obviously I can use this as a direct messaging thing and not having to be reliant on the notification. But for now, notification is the best chance you have of getting a message. At least you can get the message, you can read it, and you can reply to it. And it's different to other notifications from apps from the phone. As I showed, icons don't show up, and you can't do much with it. Well, at least with WhatsApp, you can see it's showing an icon, and you can see the message, and you can reply to it as all the messages, preset messages are there if you wanted to quickly reply to one of them, or you can type your own message. The same thing also as well on the other messages. They're not showing up anymore because I've already viewed them, the SMS. But yeah, you also have the predefined messages. So that's basically how the notifications work on this watch. It's not great. There's a lot of work Huawei needs to do to improve this, but so it was worth showing everyone how the notifications work. I know a lot of people are very interested, and actually because it's an important service that people need. So there you have it, another beautiful watch face. So that's a quick video just to show notifications.
Okay, so I hope this is helpful, guys. If it is, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.